Have you ever wondered how ancient inventions have shaped our current technology? Intriguing, isn't it? The world as we know it is a culmination of thousands of years of human ingenuity. From the wheel to the internet, each invention, big or small, has played a pivotal role in propelling us forward. The ancients were no less innovative than we are today. They were the trailblazers, the original inventors who set the stage for technological progression. They looked at the world around them, saw problems, and found solutions. They built the foundation upon which we've raised our modern civilization. Their inventions, often born out of necessity or curiosity, were ahead of their time. They were the catalysts of change, sparking a chain reaction of innovation that continues to this day. Each invention, each discovery, each leap forward is a link in an unbroken chain of human progress. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of ancient inventions. Picture this. It's 399 BC, you're in ancient Greece, and the catapult is the latest technological marvel. The catapult, a striking example of ancient artillery, was not just a weapon of war, but a symbol of the innovative spirit of our ancestors. Invented by the ingenious engineers of ancient Greece, the catapult was a game-changer on the battlefield. It was a machine capable of hurling large stones and other projectiles over great distances, smashing through the enemy's defenses with devastating effect. With the catapult, armies could attack fortifications from a safe distance, changing the dynamics of warfare forever. The catapult's invention was a result of meticulous observation and understanding of tension and torsion. The Greeks knew that if a flexible arm was pulled back under tension and then released, the arm would spring forward with great force, launching whatever was placed on it. This simple yet powerful principle was the driving force behind the catapult. But the influence of the catapult extends beyond the battlefield. This ancient machine's principles are reflected in many aspects of our modern technology. The concept of using stored energy to perform work, as seen in the catapult, is utilized in various modern machinery and engineering marvels. Take a look at a construction site, for instance. The cranes that lift heavy materials high into the sky operate on a similar principle. By storing potential energy and then releasing it, these machines can lift weights much heavier than any human could manage. The same principle can also be seen in ballistics, the science of launching projectiles. From cannons to modern rockets, the fundamental concept remains the same: store energy and then release it to propel an object. In this sense, every rocket launch is a testament to the enduring legacy of the ancient catapult. The catapult was not just a weapon, it was a testament to human ingenuity. It was a machine that forever changed the way wars were fought and influenced the development of countless modern technologies. Thus, the catapult, an ancient war machine, has left a lasting imprint on our modern technology. Fast forward to the 2nd century BC, where the astrolabe has revolutionized astronomy and navigation. Imagine a time when the stars were our only guide, a time when we looked up to the night sky to find our way. In those times, the astrolabe was born, a tool that would change the course of history. This fascinating device, a two-dimensional model of the universe, was our ancient GPS. Its invention marked a significant leap in human understanding of the cosmos. The astrolabe was a marvel of ancient engineering, a handheld device that could measure the altitude of stars and planets. This allowed sailors to determine their latitude and navigate vast oceans. It was a time before compasses and maps, a time when the night sky was the world's most accurate atlas. But the astrolabe was not merely a tool for navigation, it was also a window into the mysteries of the universe. Astronomers used it to map the stars, to track the movements of celestial bodies, and to predict eclipses. The astrolabe was at the heart of astronomy, enabling our ancestors to unravel the complexities of the cosmos. And the influence of the astrolabe extends to this day. Modern GPS systems owe their existence to the principles of celestial navigation first explored with the astrolabe. Telescopes, those gateways to the stars, have their roots in the astrolabe's star mapping capabilities. Even our understanding of time, based on the movement of celestial bodies, is a legacy of this ancient device. The astrolabe was more than an instrument, it was a symbol of human curiosity, a testament to our desire to understand and explore. It was a tool born out of necessity, and in its creation, it expanded the boundaries of our world. It bridged the gap between the Earth and the stars, bringing the universe a little closer to our grasp. The astrolabe, a tool born out of necessity, has undeniably shaped our understanding of the world and the universe beyond. Now let's travel to ancient Egypt, around 1500 BC, where the water clock has given humans a new way to measure time. Picture this, the era of pharaohs and pyramids, the ancient Egyptians, known for their intellectual prowess, introduced the world to a novel device, the water clock, also known as clepsydra. This ingenious invention was an early attempt to quantify one of the most elusive concepts, time. The water clock was a simple yet fascinating device. It consisted of two containers, one placed above the other. The top container had a small hole at the bottom, allowing water to drip at a steady rate into the lower container. As the water level rose, the passing time was measured. But why was this so revolutionary? Well, before the water clock, people relied on the sun to tell time. Sundials were common, but they were useless on cloudy days or during the night. The water clock offered a solution to this problem, providing a constant and reliable way to track time, regardless of weather or light conditions. The water clock wasn't just a tool for timekeeping, it was also a symbol of power and prestige. It was often used in temples and courts where priests and officials needed to keep accurate time for rituals, legal proceedings, and administrative tasks. This ancient device laid the groundwork for the concept of standardized time. It brought about a sense of uniformity and order, a necessary foundation for the complex societies that were emerging. Fast forward to today, and we can see the legacy of the water clock in our modern timekeeping devices, from the mechanical clocks of the Middle Ages to the quartz watches of the 20th century, and finally to the atomic clocks of today. Each step in this progression has been influenced by the humble water clock. The water clock's influence extends beyond just timekeeping. It sparked the human imagination, leading to advancements in physics, engineering, and even philosophy. It made us question, explore, and understand the world in new ways. From the water clock to the atomic clock, the journey of timekeeping is a testament to human innovation and progress. So ancient inventions, seemingly rudimentary, have truly laid the groundwork for our modern technology. Let's think back to the catapult, an ingenious contraption of levers and tension, the precursor to our advanced artillery and construction cranes. Or the astrolabe, a stargazing tool that once guided mariners through treacherous seas, now evolved into the GPS systems that guide us through bustling city streets. And let's not forget the water clock, the ancient timekeeper that has paved the way for our intricate wristwatches and digital timers. Each of these inventions, in their own unique way, has shaped the course of human history. They've revolutionized warfare, navigation, and timekeeping, and their influence is still felt in our lives today. So, the next time you glance at your watch, use a crane, or check your GPS, remember the ancient inventions that made it all possible.